guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather, and this past May, I graduated from the Harvard Extension School. I've been telling you guys that when my diploma came, I was going to film a video opening it, and today that's exactly what we're gonna do. And I'm also gonna show you the diploma frame that I got for my degree. I started my Harvard Extension journey about 7 years ago when we still lived in Boston, and my girls were just so little at the time, so I knew I would definitely have to take things at my own pace, and that's what I liked about the program. It was something that I could do at my own pace and kind of work around my schedule. I put a lot of time and energy into getting this degree, so it feels really good to get to this point. I made a whole video about when I graduated. We flew out to Boston. I was able to be there in Harvard Yard, do the Harvard graduation, and then the separate Harvard Extension School graduation. It's amazing. Tom Hanks was the speaker. I feel so grateful that we were able to go to Boston, stay there, be there for the whole Harvard ceremony, and you can watch that video right here. So this is the commencement book from when I graduated. I definitely held on to that. And the thing about your diploma is that when you graduate, you walk across that stage, they read your name, they give you something in place of your diploma, so that way you don't have to worry about like bending it, wrinkling it in the moment, or if you're traveling like we were, don't have to worry about trying to pack it safely. So they ship it weeks later. So this is what they handed me when I was actually walking. This is the outside of the envelope with the Harvard seal on it. This paper says Harvard Extension School, Harvard Division of Continuing Education. Today we gather to celebrate your commencement. This morning you entered this venue as a Harvard Extension School student, and now you leave as a Harvard University alum. You should be proud of what you achieved here at Harvard. We are inspired by the determination, dedication, and resolve you showed while completing your degree. So that's what they handed us. Weeks later, they sent my actual diploma, very well protected in the mail. On the outside of this envelope is another Harvard seal, and on the inside, my diploma. So this is the first paper, and this is Harvard University Extension School ALB Bachelor of Liberal Arts. Dean's List Certificate for Academic Achievement is awarded to Heather Pead. So if you have a GPA of 3.5 or higher, then you will be able to be on the Dean's List. And this is my actual diploma. On my past videos, I feel like I've gotten the question so many times. When you graduate from the extension school, is it actually through Harvard? What does it say on your diploma? Does it just say Harvard? Does it say Harvard University? Does it say extension school? All the questions. When you graduate through the Harvard Extension School, it will say Harvard University on your diploma. Harvard University at Cambridge in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. The President and Fellows of Harvard College, with the consent of the Honorable and Reverend the Board of Overseers and acting on the recommendation of the Faculty of Arts and Sciences, have conferred on Heather Pead the degree of Bachelor of Liberal Arts and Extension Studies cum laude. Yes, this is through Harvard University. When you graduate from the Harvard Extension School, it is through Harvard University, and it will say that on your diploma. Now I want to show you guys the diploma frame. We ordered this through the coop. So at the bottom it says Harvard University, and then this is the shield that is specific to Harvard Extension School. And now I'm going to put in my Harvard Extension School diploma. All right, are we ready for the grand reveal? There we go. This is my Harvard University, Harvard Extension School degree, and it is here. It is in its frame. It's kind of crazy to reflect on the whole journey of my experience at the Harvard Extension School. I feel very grateful, and I am so happy. At the time, I didn't know if I could actually do this, and it took a lot of time, and it took a lot of work. I'm so happy that I went back to school and that I was able to graduate with this degree. Thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me. You can watch my other Harvard Extension School videos on this channel. Here's to many more adventures to come. If you are starting in the Harvard Extension School or if you are in the program, feel free to tell me your experience in the comments below. And if you are in the Harvard Extension School program, I wish you all the success in your academic endeavors, and I will see you guys on another video very soon. Bye guys.